Hello everyone, today we have this beautiful lovely Porsche Cayman 718. So this is coming for the PPF application, and we are going to be doing a hybrid application today. Certain areas we are going to be covering with the pre-cut PPF, that's the bumper, the headlights and the mirrors and the back bumper. So the rest of the car we are going to be doing a tuck-in application where we have done the round of dismantling of the mirror and the door handles and the beadings. This is to just show you some more details on the dismantling process. So here we have dismantled one of the door pads. So this is a speaker unit, the airbag covers, here the miscellaneous screws and clips, the door handle. This is the airbag unit. Of course we have disconnected the battery and safely removed the unit. So all of this is going to be covered as part of the PPF process to ensure that there is no water entry into any of these connections. So we do have Porsche trained technicians in our team which can do the dismantling very safely and ensure that there are no errors which comes after the PPF process is completed. So now we are going to be applying the front bumper pre-cut PPF. Takes care of the headlamp washer, and a complete tuck-in happens over here without any need to dismantle any parts. We have now applied the PPF, the pre-cut pattern on this side of the bumper, which is perfectly matching and aligning up over here. The headlamp washers are also covered here without any need for dismantling. So now the process is happening on that side, over here also. So the pre-cut pattern takes care of any undulations in the panel. We have also got the pre-cut for the rear bumper diffuser. So certain complicated pieces also can be covered in the pre-cut. We also have the pre-cut for the headlight, which avoids any cutting. So this perfectly sits onto the headlight. We have now completed the application process of the PPF along with the graphene coating. As I have explained before, we have followed a hybrid process. The front bumper is actually a machine cut from the software along with the headlight and the mirror cover. The rest of the parts like the door and the rest of the body we have completed with the tuck-in process. We have also applied graphene coating for the wheels and glasses. So now this car is ready to hit the road, and it's completely protected. So if you need any machine cut or any pre-cut patterns for any exotic or sports car, we have them, so do let us know.